So when we're shooting from behind cover, you want to stay off of your cover, but then you see how if you edge out, you can see your target, and then you move over to this side, edge out, see your target. This side you have to lean further because you're shooting your gun right-handed. You understand? Just ease out and see your target right there. So you got to make sure that you're out far enough that you're not going to hit your cover, but you're still behind it. Okay? If we stay back from it a little bit, it gives us a lot more room to work, and we can take more advantage of the cover that we have. You got it? So you want to shoot at that target from back here behind cover?
Sure.
Okay, well, let's do it. Go ahead and draw your pistol. Stand back and lean out to the right. Push your gun out. And then lean out to the right to where you can see the target. See the target right there? The one with the black dot? The closer one with the black dot. Go ahead and shoot. Do it again. Good job. All right, now go to Sewell. Now we're gonna walk to this side and shoot from this side. Same target from this side. Get on your target. Good job, you're doing good. All right, Sewell, go back to the other side. Okay, now push out and shoot. Ease out more, there you go.
Yeah. I didn't get shot from